When you're looking to connect with people on LinkedIn, you want to do the research before you send the invite. Let me give you an example. If I'm looking for plastic manufacturing technology, and I'm looking for people, remember, I tell you, always look for second level to begin with. The value of looking for second level is if you know your first level LinkedIn network, it makes it easier to connect with second level. Third level is hard to get to, again, specifically because you don't have any mutual connection. Now, interesting enough, I said third and seconds are showing up. But focus on second level, and you're going to find it's way easier to connect with them. Now, if I want to connect with Kevin L. Early, again, I always right-click, open in a new tab, not a new window, in a new tab. That way, where you are stays, and then you just slide over to this tab right here, and you work this record quickly. Here's how you work it. First of all, look and see if you got a phone number or email address. I don't have it. By the way, the fact that he's customized his LinkedIn profile URL tells me he's using LinkedIn a little more than most people are. Then you come down here and you look for mutual connections. I got 53, 54, 55 mutual connections. Why do you want to make sure that you know these people? So that they can help you get connected to the people you want to meet. If you don't know Stuart Hall or David Hofield or one of these people well, then go work the one that you can get to the quickest. Because if you can get to one of these and get to nurture the relationships of one of these first, then you can ask one of these people if they can introduce you to Kevin. Now, hopefully, they know Kevin. If you're looking at people who are in this industry, then it's likely that they may know them well. If you're looking at people who are in a real estate or insurance or law or something outside of the industry, they may not know them as well. But anyway, nurture the relationships, ask for the intro. Other ways to get connected to this guy, read his about section. Does he have his phone number? Does he have his email address? Does he have his website? Find something in here that can help you get closer to connect with this dude. Go down and look at his activity. 3 weeks ago, he commented. Let's look and see what else he's doing. What about his post? Has he posted anything? He hasn't posted in over a year. A year ago, if you wish to extend me an invitation to my because you were looking to expand network, I will most likely accept it. However, you're sending me an invite because you are wanting to sell me a service or a product or franchise. Do not waste your time, as I will not respond. It becomes very evident a lot of people do not read my stuff. I'm sure that I'm the only one who is tired. Yes, amen, Kevin. I agree fully. Have a great week. Go. A comment. Now, I'm not doing that for him to respond, but maybe that will create an opportunity for him to respond. Maybe that will create an opportunity for an engagement. I don't know. Go look at his comments. Go look at his articles. Does he have any articles? His articles, beware the customer, need to find a new mistress, might be worth looking at. Right click, open in a new tab. That way this stays right here. Go read what he wrote. How long ago did he write it? He wrote it in 2018, 6.5 years ago. So, but you know what? Could be worthy of a comment. If it's relevant, if you can comment in some meaningful way. Again, why do you comment? To see if you can create some kind of engagement with Kevin that could lead to send him a connect request, that could potentially lead to another conversation. Again, making sure you're clear not to do what he said and to pitch him at all. Because he clearly says, don't pitch me. But anyway, I looked at his activity and trying to find a way to engage with him. The last thing I could do is go back to look at his profile, go look at his experience section. Maybe he doesn't have a company there. I'm confused where he works. His education, his licenses, volunteering at American Cancer Society. He's been doing that for 21, almost 22 years. Maybe someone recommended him that you know. Look, this is all about finding some meaningful way to bump into him or find some meaningful way to get introduced to him. Otherwise, I'm not sending a connect request unless I have his business card. I've already sent him an email. Then I can follow up with a connect request. That's my rant on a better way of connecting with people that have not yet met you.